your fantastic Trondheim. Airbus 320 Neo from SAS taking us to Arlanda this morning. I guess we're gonna go to the back. Winter, cold winter. It's nice to get out on the tarmac though to see the aircraft. Gonna have some de-icing later on. The usual. Stockholm. No snow. And we're walking again outside, get into the gate like the lemmings. Second flight leg, Turkish Airlines from Stockholm, Arlanda to Istanbul. 321. Spacious is it not really. It's a bit tight. It's an old aircraft. The seat is not really the best either. 321. Yeah, it's 3 hours. 2 hours 46 left, so we're gonna make that too. Our favorite time of the flight. Meal has arrived. The choice was pasta or meatballs. I went for pasta. Here we are. We have a tennis ball here. Mush mush. Got some water. Dessert, I guess, some kind of a salad. And of course the most important part, beer. Alright, we're gonna dig in and hopefully taste something. Alright, that was a quick one. Beer is not cold, unfortunately it's warm. Not so wow. But okay, we take it. It is what it is. We have something to eat. I mean, it's a 3 hour something flight, so it's fine. But the catering was better before. Alrighty, we arrived in Istanbul, Turkey. Just got out of our flight. We have something like 6 hours to kill here now for our next flight from Istanbul to Mauritius. 6 hours. I think this calls for lounge. Yes, we crashed in the IGA lounge at the Istanbul airport. A little tip, you can apparently buy yourself in here to this lounge. You would have some beverages, they have beer, they have some small stuff to eat, cookies, coffee, some drinks and so on and so on. They also have showers and they have nice bathrooms. It's a pretty big one, I'll show you quickly. We're basically sitting at a very far end because it was really busy. What you really would have, it goes all the way in there. Also, if you have a longer stay here, there is a hotel. So you can get a bed, you can sleep, showers of course, and there is a spa, beauty, hairdresser, all kind of things. So basically we were a bit scared of the long stop here. But the airport is really nice. So here you can do many things. You can knock yourself out, go shopping, empty the bank account, or just go for a beauty spa appointment, or just hang in the lounge, like we did after the shopping. Had some nice food. They have some, what would we call that?
That's the hummus, baba ganoush, tzatziki, and the rest I don't know.
All right, and of course some sweet stuff here as well for the sweet tooth. And we found a charging station, and we are well connected to everything. Well, I guess we're gonna leave here at around 1 o'clock. So 1.5 hours here in the lounge, and then we're on the way to beautiful Mauritius. Our second home, our paradise. Oh, I'm looking forward to that. Snow is gone. Maybe I get myself another cold one. Has some chance for that. It's free. Free beer! Okay. Alright, we're heading towards B15. B is all the way at the very end there. And 15 is the very last gate, of course. So yeah, we'll calculate some extra time, so no stress. Take it easy.
Right?
Yeah.
Yes, it's a forbidden because in case of emergency.
Like everything else, this is also broken. When you have the tray on, it comes just sliding down to you. Kind of interesting. This is one tired aircraft. Alright, that was almost 8 hours in this aircraft. An old 330, 13 years old. Very, very tired aircraft. It's very sad state of the aircraft. Tight as hell. Well, the screen is wobbly, this is all falling out. And here you see those things are coming off. And this thing is all coming apart. Fully broken. My seat as well. This is how it looks. The seats themselves, they are old. Very uncomfortable. Super hard. Space is non-existing. I mean, my legs are literally on the seat. So when the one in front reclines, you have the screen in your face. This is impossible to watch anything. No, Turkish Airlines disappointed big time here, very big time. Was already an old aircraft on the first leg, 321, but for 3.5 hours, don't say anything. But this one on a 9 hours and 15 minutes flight, this is a horror. So yeah, not so happy right now, not really in my happy place. Making the best out of it. Food was okay, so. Service also okay. I don't see a reason why I would fly Turkish Airlines again. That is my honest opinion. Very disappointed. This old aircraft is just, wow. I mean, we are talking old, even the printing from the buttons is gone. This is how it should look like, and this is how it does look. All the interior of the aircraft, everything is yellowish. It's really, really old. I think I'm gonna stop the complaining now, but it's really sad. And it was not cheap, so no, don't think that. It's very expensive actually. In this economy class, old, uncomfortable, shabby. I was recently watching a video from aircraft reviewer Noel Phillips, and he was in Istanbul on the airport, and he was talking about how big the airport is and how long you have to walk and all those kind of things. I was like, yeah, right. Noel, you're absolutely right. It was crazy the walks you had to do there. This airport is massive. So yeah, listen to Noel. Alright, now we have another 1 hour left or so, and then we're going to be touching down in Mauritius. Finally, get out of this thing here. Flying bucket. Alright, see you with some hopefully nice weather soon. Here we are, finally arrived. Paradise Island, Mauritius. Also called home to some people. It's a small airport, but only big aircraft. 380s, 777, 350s, you name it. So I'm coming with a local to Mauritius, with a Mauritian. We're gonna try the residence, of course. And we have questions here. Klar, gå. Rett fram. Ja. And here we are. Welcome home. Mauritius. Holy cow. I tell you it's hot. Sun is burning down. Wow. Just got our car. The silver Ferrari here. Mitsubishi something something. Spacious one. Some seats in it. What is of course always funny when you would get into your car at our place. Oh, there is the passenger. So yeah, there's one thing you have to remember in Mauritius. Always drive on the wrong side. Always drive on the wrong side. Get in the car in the wrong side and drive on the wrong side, right? So this is our little ride for the day. Well, for the 2 weeks. Sophia has changed in a summer outfit. Very nice, lovely. Okay, whew, air condition is running. Let's get into the car. Left? This left. Oh my god, this is so weird to drive on this side. Here, right? Yeah, exit. Ah, exit. Okay. Exit sounds right. Go to the exit. Ooh. Tropical. This is so weird to drive on that side, you have no idea.
You get used to it.
How do I do that? Here?
Give it to him. He's waiting
Give it to
for
him?
you. Yeah.
Aha. Is it? Messy. Yeah. So, okay, let's see. I have to go to the north. Oh god, roundabout it the wrong way around. My goodness, this is killing me. It was this way, right? North? Close to me.
How's it going?
I'm still driving on the wrong side, which apparently is a good thing. It's okay. The north, the south. I'm confused. Let's go to the north.